If you love to cook but have been struggling with traditional cookware that's hard to manage or clean, this Aroma Housewares 5-Quart Electric Wok might just be the solution you've been searching for. With its modern design, durable construction, and versatile features, this electric wok is made to deliver restaurant-quality results in your kitchen. Whether you're making stir-fry, steaming veggies, or cooking tempura, the Aroma Wok takes your cooking experience to the next level. Why you should choose the Aroma Housewares 5-Quart Electric Wok. The Aroma Electric Wok isn't just a cooking tool, it's your secret weapon in the kitchen. Designed for both seasoned chefs and beginners, it offers an intuitive cooking experience that allows you to create your favorite dishes effortlessly. Here's a closer look at why this wok is so popular. Key features and benefits. Rapid heat up and even cooking. Thanks to the cast aluminum construction, this wok heats up quickly and evenly. No more waiting around for your pan to warm up. You can cook your meals faster, saving you precious time during meal prep. Plus, it retains heat for efficient cooking, sealing in all the flavors of your ingredients. Full-range temperature control. With the adjustable temperature probe, you have full control over your cooking. Whether you're frying, steaming, or braising, you can set the temperature to suit your recipe and ensure consistent, perfect results every time. Non-stick coating for easy cleanup. The wok's non-stick surface ensures that your food won't stick, which means less mess and easier cleanup after cooking. After enjoying your delicious stir-fry or tempura, simply detach the cooking base and wash the wok in the dishwasher or by hand. Large 5-quart capacity. If you're cooking for the whole family, the 5-quart capacity gives you plenty of space to cook large meals in one go. It's perfect for everything from stir-fries to soups, and it's large enough to handle a variety of different dishes. Versatile for different cooking styles. Whether you're making a classic stir-fry, steaming dumplings, or preparing crispy tempura, this wok has you covered. The included tempura rack and steaming rack add even more versatility, allowing you to experiment with a variety of cooking techniques. Safe and easy to handle. The cool touch base and handles ensure that you can handle the wok safely, even when it's hot. Plus, the tempered glass lid with a steam vent lets you control moisture, which is essential when steaming or braising foods. Why the Aroma Housewares Electric Wok is perfect for you. The Aroma 5-Quart Electric Wok is ideal for anyone who loves to cook, whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef. Its ease of use, combined with its large cooking capacity, makes it perfect for busy families, roommates, or anyone who wants to make delicious meals quickly and efficiently. If you're someone who enjoys creating Asian-inspired dishes at home, this wok is an absolute must-have. It allows you to cook a variety of meals, from stir-fries to tempura, without the hassle of traditional woks that are harder to control and clean. With its non-stick surface and full-range temperature control, you can easily experiment with different dishes and cooking techniques. The complete wok kit. When you purchase the Aroma Housewares 5-Quart Electric Wok, you're not just getting the wok itself. The package includes everything you need to create authentic dishes. Wok pan. The durable 5-quart wok provides ample space for large meals. Tempered glass lid. The lid is designed with an air vent to control moisture and heat. Chopsticks. Long chopsticks are included to help you cook with authenticity. Steaming and tempura racks. These racks expand the wok's versatility, allowing you to steam and fry with ease. The Aroma Housewares 5-Quart Electric Wok brings the heat with rapid temperature control, perfect for stir-frying, braising, steaming, and making tempura. With its non-stick surface, large cooking capacity, and cool touch handles, this wok is the ideal companion for busy home cooks. Its durable construction ensures it'll last through countless cooking sessions, and the detachable parts make cleaning a breeze. Cook like a pro and impress your guests with your delicious creations. If you're looking for a durable, efficient, and easy-to-use cooking tool, the Aroma Housewares 5-Quart Electric Wok is a fantastic choice. Elevate your cooking game and impress your friends and family with professional results every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.